Hey everyone, before you run npm install on some GitHub repo, how do you actually know if it's safe to depend on? Most of us glance at the stars, maybe check the last commit date, and then just hope for the best. I built RepoRadar, an MCP application built on Moonpack and a NitroStack that turns any AI assistant into a dependency adoption analyst. And everything I'm about to show you is running live in the cloud, not on my laptop. Let me prove that first. This is a production HTTPS endpoint on NitroCloud. I am connecting Nitro Studio to it right now over HTTP. The same way Claude, Cursor or ChatGPT would. Notice that the transport says HTTP and the URL is a public NitroCloud AI address. There is no local server involved and we are connected. Boom. All 9 tools just loaded straight from the hosted server. Here's what running up there. RepoRadar exposes 9 production tool over the model context protocol, adoption score, compare repos, commit activity, issue health, PR health, contributor insights, readme health, and release notes, plus 3 interactive widgets for the visual output and the guided prompts so you don't have to memorize tool names. The core tools pull straight from the GitHub API with caching and rate limit handling. The insights tool turn all of that into decisions. Let's see the star of the show. I will ask the live server and boom, there it is. A live health scorecard computed on the server and rendered right here. React scores a perfect 100, grade A, safe to adapt. But here's what I love. It's not a black box. Every category is explained. Maintenance is maxed. Push today. About 16 commits a week. Responsiveness is perfect. Pull requests merge in under 10 hours. Popularity, community, documentation, risk, all broken down with a healthy bus factor of 6. So it is not one person carrying it. That's the point of RepoRadar. It doesn't just worship star counts. It shows real signals, good and bad, so you can make an honest call. And remember, this just came back from the cloud, not my machine. Now let's see in chat, compare Express.js and Fastify. Now a real decision. Express versus Fastify. For a new API, the live server scores both on the exact same formula, renders them side by side, and picks a winner. As we can see, Express.js just edges it out because of readme quality, recent activity, overall balance, and etc. That's normally an afternoon of open tabs and guesswork turned into one question with a defensible answer, all served from NitroCloud. Now let's see commit activity. Commit activity visualizes a full year of commits and labels the momentum, accelerating, steady, or slowing. In one glance, you can tell if a project is hitting up or quietly dying. Again, live data, hosted server. Now let's see contributor insights for Fastify repository. Returns a JSON with total contributors 100 plus, The contributor insights estimates the bus factor, how few people carry half of the commits. All of this is running live and on the hosted server. And this isn't just for me because it's deployed on NitroCloud. Anyone can connect. This server, this is the server's public page. It hands you ready-made config for Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, and more. You paste the URL into your AI client and RepoRadar's AI tools show up instantly. Live deployment was a hard requirement for this challenge and RepoRadar is fully live and shareable. Everything is open source. The README has full setup instructions, all 9 tools, the scoring formula, and usage examples. That's RepoRadar. Know a dependency before you depend on it. Built with Moonpack and NitroStack, deployed live on NitroCloud. Repo and live links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching.